Water. It's the most essential ingredient at any food service operation. From drinking water and coffee to ice and tea, steam, fountain drinks, and more. Clean, refreshing, great-tasting water is the starting point for all great customer experiences. But getting your water right can be a lot to manage. Pentair Total Water Management is your end-to-end solution to providing great-tasting water and just leaving the details to the experts. Pentair Total Water Management starts with a comprehensive site survey of your facility, including a thorough test of your local water to identify contaminants and other potential water challenges. Our team of professionals will recommend and install the proper equipment to meet your unique needs. With our low startup cost and expert service, you'll have peace of mind knowing that you're saving money by reducing downtime from water-based disruptions. Pentair Total Water Management is one of the most cost-effective solutions to handling all of your water-related needs, freeing you up to do everything else you do to give your customers a great experience. Contact a Pentair Total Water Management expert today to get started.
Clean, refreshing, great-tasting water. It's what our customers expect from us. From drinking water, ice, and steam, to coffee, tea, fountain drinks, and more. What's the main ingredient that ensures the best taste? Crystal clear, exceptional water. It's the backbone of the food service industry. But when customers complain about bad taste and odors from water-related products, or when costly equipment starts to break down, it's often too late. Replacing your Pentair Everpure water filters every 6 months or sooner makes all the difference. By removing chlorine tastes, cloudiness, and odors from your water, your filters are helping to keep your customers happy. Not only that, they're working tirelessly to reduce buildup and corrosion on your equipment, protecting your investment and keeping energy costs down. And it's because your filters are doing their job day in and day out that they need to be replaced on time. It's part of their life cycle and an important step to keeping the whole system running smoothly, so you can deliver a great customer experience. For the assurance that your equipment will be running at its optimal potential and your product tasting as great as it should, replace your Pentair Everpure water filters every 6 months or sooner.
Ice machines are found in almost every grocery store, bakery, brewery, school, hospital, and nursing home. Keeping them clean and sanitary is a necessity. Without regular sanitation and maintenance, ice machines quickly become a breeding ground for mold, mildew, and biofilm, a slime that harbors bacteria and many other forms of undesirable contamination. The low temperature by itself is insufficient to eliminate these and other water or airborne issues. Anything contaminating the ice passes along to whoever consumes it. The Pentair Everpure Oxidize Ice Machine Disinfection System reduces contaminants from both the water and the ice basin with the power of ozone, a natural oxidizer. Here is how the Oxidize Ice Machine Disinfection System works. The system takes in air from its surroundings and passes it through a corona discharge reaction chamber, a powerful, continuous electrical spark that breaks apart the oxygen molecules into individual atoms. These then recombine into ozone, a natural oxidizer that reacts 3,000 times faster than chlorine. Ozone gets delivered to the sump through a diffuser stone. Bubbling ozone through the sump water allows the ozone an opportunity to keep the water and wetted surfaces clean. The remaining ozone off-gases into the chiller compartment, treating all internal surfaces and minimizing mold and slime growth. Ozone is a strong, natural oxidizer. It can attack contaminants without requiring harsh chemicals. Any unused ozone naturally breaks down to oxygen, leaving your ice machine clean and your ice free of any chemical off flavors. All of this leads to lower operating costs and less maintenance for your ice machine and cleaner ice for you and your customers. Insist on Pentair to protect your water and your business. For more, visit pentair.com.
Water. Clean, clear, great tasting water. It can make or break your business. No matter what food service business you're in, your reputation and recipe depend on consistency and quality of water. The right water can help you transform an average cup of coffee into an explosion of Java bliss, or your soup du jour into the soup of the year. And we believe that your customers deserve the best possible water. At Everpure from Pentair Water Solutions, we deliver water you can trust and have since 1933. Our team of experts across the globe are dedicated to delivering solutions that filter and improve water so each recipe shines. We provide solutions that help protect water-using appliances against undue wear and tear, helping provide peace of mind and a better bottom line. And with cutting-edge products addressing contaminants like lead, scale, and PFAS, Everpure continues to set the innovation standard for higher quality water in places like restaurants, coffee shops, offices, hotels, and schools. We are committed to partnership, working to test, learn, and tune in custom water quality solutions for each unique food service operation. We provide water analysis and diagnosis through installation and maintenance. And we care about our customers' commitment to water conservation, energy efficiency, and waste reduction, because your impact goals are our goals. We do this so people can enjoy food, drink, and water on the go and trust in their choice. They can stop in for their favorite iced beverage after a long week and reflect on what's next. And at closing, you can rest easier knowing that what was served up today was the best it could be. Everpure from Pentair Water Solutions. Water you can trust since 1933.
Coffee's history is a cultural journey. Originating in Ethiopia, coffee spread to the Arab world, where it became popular in coffee houses. It later reached Europe and continued through colonization and industrialization, eventually leading to its widespread consumption in the 20th and 21st centuries. Today, coffee is at the center of another cultural shift. Long known as the fuel needed to get through the day, coffee is being reimagined by third wave and artisan roasters. Specialty coffee is now considered among the likes of craft beer and wine, where the origin and sustainability of the ingredients are critical. However, one crucial element often gets left out of the equation: quality water.
Well, my name is Dennis Erdley. My wife and I own Devour in Plymouth, Wisconsin. For us, there was a couple things we had to look at. The first was to find a local vendor. We want to stay local with everything we can. We were lucky to find someone that was local that does high quality beans. They roast them weekly. The next thing was to make sure that we had the best water quality we could possibly have to support us, to make sure we have the best quality coffee we could. The biggest thing for us to start with was the cost, making sure that we have something that's affordable for us and for the consumer, to make sure that we have a product that is very consistent, finding vendors and suppliers that will help us keep our equipment up to date and everything we possibly can as far as maintenance, but yet still keeping the cost in line, but giving a product that every time the customer comes in, they know they're getting a good, superior product. Well, in Plymouth, we have very hard water that had a very big chlorine taste. So when we first opened, we didn't have a water system. We noticed a lot of scaling on our equipment, so we reached out to make sure we were able to get that out, to get our quality up there. Not just for the taste, but for the maintenance of the equipment, for the longevity, because the equipment is not cheap. The labor itself was very expensive as well for us, because we were paying people to polish the silverware and polish the glasses, and they came out so it would look clean. So definitely for us, it was finding someone that we could help reduce our cost and labor and help keep our equipment lasting longer. So we reached out to Pentair. They sent a representative in to do some water quality tests. Shortly later, we received some customized solutions. We ended up choosing the EasyRO system. For us, it was the system that worked best based on the quality we can get, plus the very limited space we had, and they were able to fit it in the area we needed it to go into. We don't have a lot of room behind the counters, and they were able to find something that would work for us.
At Pentair, we understand the need for excellence and convenience. That's why we've been dedicated to being a total water management partner for over 90 years, offering sustainable, science-based water filtration solutions that enhance the customer experience.
Our lab offers many different unique water quality analysis capabilities, including state-of-the-art analysis technologies around different types of water filtration contaminants, such as metals, cations, anions, and other basic water quality parameters. We also offer a unique process where our customers, when we get a sample from them, we take that sample through our lab. We have a lab information management system. So that customer sample gets a barcode and then actually goes through our entire analysis process and is traceable through that process. It's very important because it allows us to automate our analysis as well. So when our instruments are finishing the analysis for a specific customer, it uploads the data directly to our cloud-based LIMS system and ultimately allows us to have a quick turnaround time. We have a quick turnaround time of 48 to 72 hours, which is really much better than what you will find at most other labs. The key benefit to getting a full water quality analysis for our customers is that it is absolutely necessary to be able to provide a good water treatment recommendation around a water filtration product to our customer and make sure that that customer is getting the correct filtration that they need for their specific application.
A memorable customer experience starts with choosing the right water filtration system. A water test is a quick and easy way to take any uncertainty out of the selection process.
Now that the water analysis has been completed, we need to go through the 5-stage process of TWM. The first stage was the water analysis, which helps determine, or at least lets us know, what's in the water. The second step is an actual site survey. Site survey helps us know what kind of site you have, what kind of equipment you have, the actual space you have to work with. Also helps determine, if you have access to drain, electricity, and so forth. Once all that's been understood, you actually can determine what kind of equipment you're going to need based off of those two things. After that's been completed as far as analysis, site survey, product determination, we actually get into the installation and startup. Installation and startup just ensures that the water equipment we're putting in there hooks up and starts producing the water to use the standards that are needed for your equipment. The same effort that we put into making sure that you have quality water, the same effort that you put into picking and choosing your equipment for brewing, for espresso, and your coffee beans, your location, everything comes together seamlessly to ensure that you have ongoing success in your business and, at the end of the day, a good quality beverage.
The Pentair Everpure EZ-RO is the preferred option for coffee applications, helping provide consistency and protect equipment with one simple, expandable, and efficient system. Its expandability allows larger capacity filters and storage tanks to be added as your business grows. It even provides flexible installation options, with the ability to be wall-mounted, freestanding, or placed under the counter in small, tight spaces. With it being up to 50% more efficient than traditional RO systems, it means less water wasted, better for your bottom line, and better for the planet. The water filtration process starts with the pre-filter cartridge, where water passes through a carbon block to reduce both sediment, chlorine, taste, and odor. The water then passes through an RO membrane cartridge to reduce total dissolved solids and chlorides. Minerals are then added back into the water via the mineral addition cartridge. In certain models of the EZ-RO, an added step provides additional blending to improve coffee extraction. Finally, the optimized water enters the storage tank, where it remains until needed to help craft great-tasting beverages or protect valuable equipment. Through this process, the Everpure EZ-RO offers coffee shop owners a simple and convenient solution to their water filtration needs.
For us, it started with an email to Pentair to get a system going. There were no headaches at all. It was very seamless process. I sent an email, we got a phone call back. They set up times, worked within the deadlines and everything we had, scheduling, and just made the process very, very seamless.
And at Pentair, we stand as your committed water management partner, ensuring that every aspect of your coffee journey is nothing short of exceptional.
Choosing the right filtration system is essential for food service industries like restaurants, coffee shops, hotels, schools, and hospitals to ensure consistent, high-quality water and beverages for their customers. Reverse osmosis, or RO, is an important water filtration process that uses a semi-permeable membrane that reduces dissolved minerals and contaminants. Cue the Pentair Everpure Easy RO, an easy, expandable, and efficient system that will not only reduce contaminants and help protect equipment, but will grow with your business. The technology is what makes the Easy RO so impressive. Water flows through the pre-filter cartridge to reduce both sediment and chlorine. The water continues through the RO membrane cartridge, reducing dissolved solids such as chlorides and other unwanted minerals. Additional minerals help improve extraction and protection as the Easy RO pumps them back into the water through the mineral addition cartridge. Finally, the optimized water enters the storage tank where it's ready for use for steaming or brewing the perfect cup of coffee. One of the main benefits that separates the Easy RO from others is the RO membrane, a small but powerful tool that produces up to 2 times more permeate water than standard membranes. The Easy RO system is ready to grow with your thriving business. Let's say your business is booming and you need more water capacity to meet your growing demand. The Easy RO has your back. All you need to do is snap in a different cartridge and you're good to go. And don't worry, when it comes to troubleshooting or servicing the Easy RO, we made sure all its parts are easy to find and replace. For coffee and espresso, Easy RO features a tailored mineral blending technology that works behind the scenes and ensures consistent taste and enhanced coffee extraction. It also keeps your steam equipment running smoothly by helping to protect it from chlorine, sediment, and dissolved solids. The Pentair Everpure Easy RO is more than a filtration system. It's an efficient partner that makes your job easier while expanding with your success. Learn more today at pentair.com/easy-ro.